Hello, families. Welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello. I'm Farmy Julie. It's good to have you here. Do well to check out other videos on this channel, and I promise you one thing: you will get value. We talk about agriculture business, how to make money from agriculture business, the right places that you should invest your money into, and how to scale your farm. So, if that's the kind of video you're interested in, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about agricultural businesses that you can start with less than 50k or even 500k and scale. So if you've been wondering how you can start agricultural business with low cost and high profit, these ideas are for you. So let's dive into the video. These ideas are ideas that you can start at your backyard, online, or even your kitchen. All right, so the first one I have here is protein processing. So protein processing can be catfish processing, it can be chicken processing, it can be fish processing, protein processing generally. Now, this is my favorite when it comes to value addition, when it comes to processing. Catfish, chicken, just smoke anything, package and sell. Actually, not anything. Smoke any protein, package and sell. Go to the market. You don't need to be a producer. You don't need to have fish pond. Go to the market. We already have people that are selling this thing. Look for the supplier that can give you at a best price, at an affordable price that will help you make profit too. Go process it and package it. This is what we are doing with Smoky Bites, and we are making our profit from it. It does not only stop with catfish. You can go for chicken. I know people that will go to the market, buy chicken, smoke it, package it, and sell it. So this is an aspect that you can look into. You can even start this one with less than 100,000 naira. This is my favorite because this works for working class family and busy moms. They are your target audience. You can start this with less than 100,000 naira. Buy your protein, smoke, package it neatly, and start advertising and start selling. The next one is dried pepper and dried tomato business. You can start this one with 50,000 to 200,000 depending on how high you want to start investing in business. Now, the good part about this thing is you need to understand when this produce, pepper is high, tomato is high, and the price has dropped. When the price has dropped is when you go and buy it in bulk. You buy it in bulk. It's either you sun dry it, you dehydrate it, you package it, you grind it, turn it to powder form, you package it, and you sell. This is another business idea for you. I think this is for people that are doing sachet pepper, sachet tomato, just name it. This is the best idea that you can get started with. And the good thing about this one is you don't need to farm. You just need to be able to brand yourself, do correct packaging, and start selling. The next one you can start, this one will cost you between 150k to 300,000 naira, and that is mini poultry. So mini poultry can be broiler, it can be layers, anyone you want to go into. Start with little. For broiler, you can start with 10 and sell off at maybe 12 weeks, 16 weeks. And for layers, they start laying from 5 months, you start getting your egg. Now, the only aspect of this one that is kind of tedious is the feeding, and that's the feeding that's going to consume money. And that's why I said you can start with 150 to 300k. Once you feed properly, you can sell to your neighbors. Like my big dad now that does poultry at home, his major buyers of egg are within. We don't used to have like stock up eggs. I don't know if you understand. Once we are picking eggs from the farm, is we already have a buyer for it. So you supply people around. We don't have eggs stock up. So you can supply to your neighbor, you can sell online, you can sell anywhere. This is for people that want something that okay, um, they like their hands on something, they like doing something, especially elderly people. You can set up this poultry for them and they will start making the profit from it. The next one that you can get started with is dry food packaging and resale. This one, you can start this one with 50,000 to 500,000 depending on how big you want to start it. Now, the good thing about this one is it requires less capital if you want to start small, and it can also require high capital if you want to start big. But you can start with any produce at all: ogbono, crayfish, egusi, stockfish, name them. All you need to do is go to the markets. If you want to get started in Lagos, go to Igbo market, buy it in bulk, and start packaging, start branding it. See, people want convenience. Anything that is easy for us to use, easy for us to. That is what people want. Once we can get stockfish, I know that this stockfish is clean, is neat, is that we buy it. Once we can get ogbono, I know that this ogbono it can draw from here to Kano. People will buy from you. All you need to do is to brand yourself and package yourself very, very well. And you can do this even without being a farmer. Just be a middleman and you will make your money from it. Now, when it comes to branding, it's all about you understanding what works for you and what doesn't work for you. I'm going to give you this example. Starting smoky bite, I started with catfish before I moved to beef and moved to chicken. Now we've created a bundle. The bundle is catfish, chicken, and beef protein bundle. So instead of getting catfish for 5,000, getting some for 2,000, we did it as a bundle. So if you want to go into food packaging, you can create it as a bundle. Let's say you're into meat processing and you also sell packaged dry food. You can say, okay, gari and chicken or gari and soup things and like that as a bundle, and you will sell. It is all about the way you brand yourself. Which of these ideas will you want to try? Which of these ideas would you want me to do a detailed step-by-step video for you on? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, I hope you got value. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in my next